copyrighted regardless. So go left, right, touch, left hook upstairs, and then you're gonna do left, right again to manipulate to go ahead and get to the left to the body. So you can really control my shoulder. Left, right, there, and then now from there, get into that left, right again. There it is. Again, left, right upstairs. Stay there, make sure it's perfect. Left, high, left hand. Left, good. Good. That's one. Hold each one. Hold. 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 Switch the cadence up a little bit. Good. Cadence. Good. Change this cadence. Change this one. Change this one. Change this one. Last one. Not bad. Let's go. Let's go, Jesus. You guys see, for the most part, we're working on power, but then also the 2 setup shots first. This is a 1, 2, 3. 3 to the head, 3 to the body, but we're changing the cadence to the 1, 2 because we're just trying to set up the 3. Left, right. Take that rhythm out. So take the extra movements out. Leave it there. Because what I want with the foot, squeeze the butt more. And that shoulder should almost be pointing towards your target. There it is. And then you're gonna loop a little bit. Don't worry about straightening that out of the way, but loop, because I'm coming there, coming there. All right. Look at the target. Leave it. There it is. Reset. 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 So you can, so hands up. See what I mean? So really touch me. Really touch me. Really control 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 me. So if you notice a lot of stuff for you, and then you guys can see too, like your hand placement as you throw the 1, 2, 3, right? But that's all reps and stuff that you need to do on your own. The emphasis right now is us working on the last shot and the power, but you still need to have the emphasis on doing the correct things with your hands as you're repping accordingly. Does that make sense? All right, let's go, Jesse. Control. So for you, you see how you'll loop, you'll throw that out. The target's over here. Don't zone out. Your eyes shouldn't be right there. The eyes should be on me, and then you're aiming at my head. I'm just not going to take the shot, right? So your eyes should be over here. So that way you know you don't got to open up that hook so much. You just start turning with the feet first and then pop it in there. Leave it. Turn, shoulder more, the whole body. There it is. That's where I want you to be, right? So they talk about like when you turn the hook over and when you don't turn the hook over. When you turn the hook all the way over there, expect the right hand to come, so your next exit should be based off of right hand defense. If I have you turn that left to the body over and I'm here, expect left hand defense. You see what I mean? So it's the position that you'll be in afterwards. When you throw a left hand on the front foot to the body and you stay, for the most part, you're going to be in left hand defense or right hand defense if they're on the back foot going that way. But right now I'm on the front foot, correct? Left hand defense, right? So now if you go ahead and shoot this left hook through, now what defense are you in? Right hand defense for the most part, because something might come here. So you can roll under, you can block, you can go ahead and step back, you can go that way if you want to. But now, if you're here, left hand defense, correct? Because of where I'm at. It's not a guess. I'm not over there. I'm right here. When you turn that left hook over, where am I at? Right here. When you turn the left to the body, where am I at? Now, if we account for missing, now if I go ahead and throw at the same time, where am I at now? Same thing. As far as if you throw here and I'm back here, now I'm over here. Now you got left hand defense. You see what I mean? So we can kind of live in these positions a little bit more. Let's go, Frankie. Balance. Good. Balance. Ooh. Balance. Good. Good. Good cadence change. Think control on the bag. So when we go rhythm shots and it's touch, touch, same thing I want. Control. Good. Control. Touch, touch. Good. Control. Good. Because off of that touch, touch right now, touch, touch, just roll. Roll under. Don't worry. Throw. There it is. It's a touch, touch, I threw. Touch, touch over here. Touch, touch, change. Thank you. Touch, touch, change. Touch, touch, change. Because if you throw touch, touch, and I throw something at you, you can still defend. Because you're not committing off of those. Does it make sense? Control, control. Good. Control, control. 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 Good. You guys see the difference between the two? Before we did the power for you guys, because I don't want to change what the emphasis is. Frankie can get the power off because he understands what he's doing with the control. I'm more so about you guys controlling the cadence of the punches. Does that make sense? So that way if you're on the inside, you understand. So like, Jesse, if me and you are fighting right now and I'm in range to go ahead and make contact with you, like I understand we're in an engagement right here. I can do stuff like this as I pick up the shot that I want. So that way it's like the speed is touch, touch, whack, something big comes. It's whack, something big comes. Something big comes. But in the middle of me doing that, if he throws, I can still defend myself. I can still defend myself. I can still defend myself. Whoop me. You see what I mean? Like, that's what you're doing off of these shots. Does that make sense? So we'll go more of it on the mitts for you guys. Well, I'll get the mitts and we'll just stay here. So, Jesus, you'll go first. Frankie and Jesse, I want you guys doing it in the partner work behind me. So each of you guys are going to do 1, 2, big, 1, 2, 1, 2, big, 1, 2, big. And if you guys want to slow down on the big, so Frankie, come with me. So if you go 1, 2 first, you'll go big shot. So at me. You see what I mean? Because I'll have gloves on. And now it's for me. You see, that's what you guys are doing back and forth. All right, let's go. Yes, cadence will go right there. You guys can go. There's more space probably right here in this corner. Somebody's going to pick if they're on against the ropes or not. So you're against the ropes in the corner. You're keeping them on the ropes. Touch, touch. Touch, touch, big. Blocks. You see what I mean? You're committing too much. Thank you. Why wait? You see how you were first on that one? Let's go. Me. Control it. Control it. Control. 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 Touch, touch. See what I mean? So touch here, touch, touch. There. Get in range, get in range. No extra movement, no extra bounce afterwards. Get rid of that rhythm. Understand, every single time you do that, it's a movement, right? So don't just do it for free. Again. Good. So for you, I want you in front of the mirror right now, off of your seams. So out the ring, in front of the mirror. Use that seam. So split your feet, split your stance. And so for you, right now, make sure when you shoot that left hand, they're either on the right side of the seam or right here. And I want you to hold the position. Take your gloves off. Take your gloves off. Frankie and Jess, you guys go right here because I want to see it in the center of the ring. Jesus, you're on your own for this. Go ahead, Frankie, you'll go first. Touch, touch. Stay right there. Don't reset. You guys, you see how like you just block the shot and you reset as if it's over with? No, you guys are still in range right now. So you may not throw the next shot, but you have to understand you guys are close enough to get hit with something. Let me see it. Stay there. Stay there again. I'm gonna have you guys go through your exits. Go shoot that shot to the body and hold it there. Stay right there. So now Frankie sees what he can counter you with. You see what you might get countered with. That's going to happen for a split second, then exit. But I don't want this to happen. It's a big difference because you guys went here first because you threw the same shot the first time. It was here, here. You threw this. You reset for free. Frankie reset for free as well because you guys are like the drill's over. No, I need it to be boom, boom. You can hold it there. Don't worry about countering. But he's taking a peek right now. I'm looking at what's available for me. So now we're 1-to-1. I threw. He blocked. We're even. Now I would go ahead and be aware when I get out. You would be aware, and just so you're not resetting. So you don't have to throw anything, but I don't want you to go ahead and get here from a block just to go ahead and reset. And I don't want you to go from a block to just reset. You guys are pausing for a quick second, then seeing what the next shot can be, and then getting out. Let me see it. Stay. Now reset. Nope, don't throw the shot. Like just... You got to see it for free because he didn't move. Don't take advantage of it when he could have already got, you know what I mean? Like it's very similar to this, and it's one of those things that just happened. I have you guys throw punches in slow motions, and he's practicing on slipping right now, right? And then so he's going to slip away from my jab. The reason why he's going to slip is because I'm throwing the jab at his face as a target. Watch. So he'll slip, and then I'll go, is that realistic? I'm not going to be able to throw a punch and then change the angle last minute. It's like you taking advantage of the drill. Don't take advantage of the drill right now. Yeah, it's up. Pause. Now exit. Good. Now exit. Good. And Frankie, for you, get over there, that 1-2, get over there with the feet off of the 1-2. So instead of jumping off the 1-2, because you're not close, it would be like, take those small steps with it. You can change the cadence with the feet too. The 1-2 is just a distraction to see what 3 you're gonna land, either to the body or upstairs. Last one. That's time. So you guys will see what we're doing with the mitts with it. Jesus, how you feel in front of the mirror? And so the mirror's not gonna lie to you. If it don't look right in front of the mirror, it's not right in real life. So get into those positions where you feel comfortable and you like how you look. Because the mirror's not going to lie, but that's the honest standpoint of it, right? So split your feet the way that they should be split as you change each position each time. So you should be in front of the mirror here. On that side of the mirror, I'm on the back foot. On this side of the mirror, I'm on the front foot, right? So as I shoot shots here, I should now go ahead and be here. If I'm neutral, now my head's just right on the scene. So I want to get away to go ahead and get into a shot or throw over there. But the mirror, you should be practicing your positions. Does that make sense? Take your time. Go as slow as possible. Frankie, let's go. You're going touch, touch. Something might come at you. Don't worry about throwing right now. Touch, touch. Thank you. You see the difference between the two? It's just you have to be able to defend as well. That touch, touch, you can't commit to it because if you commit to it, it's the same thing as far as throwing a punch. You might as well throw hard, get more out of it anyways. These are just setups, so touch, touch.
What the heck is that thing?
Why can you get the right hand off still? Why can't you do it? So think, it should be just touch. You haven't committed, right? Now throw the right hand. Why does it only have to be the left? Boom. Left, right. Better. You see the difference? Don't commit on the left, right. Same thing off of defense. It might come defense.
You can't get your local party, yes, I can't get everything. Haters getting mad cause I got some baby, baby.
See the difference? Right? It's just you using those hands more to control than a combination where it's like 1, 2, 3. Because now he got a 1, 2, 3 off of it. He got a 1, 2, 2 off of it. But the 2 is the hard shot. And if you notice the 2, if I move, it might just throw him into something. That's what we're working on today is just cadence and touches. And we're throwing the power shot in the beginning. But I'm going to get back to coaching them. But hopefully y'all got to see like a live session and how things work. But I'll see y'all the next one.